So today I'm gonna try and vlog. We're gonna go to Walmart or some other store just to like get some groceries. And I gotta go to the storage unit too to pick up something. Anyways, I can't find my tripod, so it's kind of frustrating. I've been looking for it everywhere, but I had I made tofu scramble. It's been sitting for a little while, so it's kind of cold. I'm trying to think where I could have left my tripod. I feel like I kept seeing it, I don't know, like on a shelf or something. I would say get a second tripod, but then I would never look for the one that I'm losing. Okay, so I finally found my tripod and my hair is done, my makeup is done, and we're gonna be heading to Walmart right now. So the boys are already ready. We're gonna pick up some stuff. I did order stuff from Schwann's, but it's gonna be here like in another week and a half. So yep. Anyways, I'll try and vlog a little bit. Well, we decided to not take Axel unless I might actually I might run back inside and get him. He wanted to go, but I think he would enjoy being in the house better when it's cool. Even though I would leave the truck running. Hey guys. Hi. We're just gonna hit the storage unit first, get the baby sling so that way I can hold Jack while I've got Minnie like in the cart. So yeah. I'm in Walmart and man was that like, it wasn't too bad. The babies were okay. Like at first they cried, but I got to the storage unit, couldn't find the key, couldn't find it. Both of them were screaming. But anyways, I found it, got the sling. I think it actually worked really good. Minnie was in a good mood. They both cried a little bit, like when I was getting Jack out of the car and getting him in the sling, but then it stopped. So, and I did pretty good. I only spent like $60-something and I got so much stuff. Like I thought it was gonna be over $100. So since I got so much stuff and it was really cheap, I got 2 Redbox movies. And I'm gonna invite Danielle over and maybe she can come watch movie with me. So we're back at the house. Try not to show the house number. But yeah, so both kids are asleep. Minnie got a toy. I honestly have no idea how I only spent $60. I mean, I got like stuff I got like sunblock, like beauty, not beauty stuff, but like lotion, like food. I got him a toy. Like there's like 4 cars in that. There's like 2 monster trucks and 2 vehicles. But yeah, so I don't really want to wake them up. I do have something coming in the mail today. It's my screen cover for my tab for the screen breaks. Danielle said she can't come over today, which is my sister, but she said she can come over tomorrow. I think I want to try and film a video today. I'm like really wanting to know what's in my boxes, so and I've done my makeup and hair and stuff, so why not? Wes, I don't know, I haven't heard from him in a while. He's at work though, so Minnie's DVD player is going. So they're monster trucks, and you can change the tops on them. It comes with 2 extra tops. It was only $4 at Walmart, and it's not horrible quality. I mean, it's pretty heavy, and they're quite big. Do you like it, Minnie? He woke up from his nap, so he's really upset. He's crying. It's got another little piece. It's like a little flag. I still have to get the ties off of it, Minnie. Let me go get a knife or something. Hi, Jack. In here while we went shopping, and he didn't do anything wrong. He's such a good doggy. Still need to get the stuff off, but Cool. Yay! Yay! Let me go get a pair of scissors or a knife. Hold on, Winnie. To take them out, there's just like a little button in the back and you just push this in right here. And then it comes right off. So I've already put a different one on here. It's real easy. You want me to push it again? Ha. Stupid doll. Haha. Boo. 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 Hi, Dak. Oh, no. I keep trying to record them talking to each other, but every time I push record, then it's like Minnie knows. Don't you, Minnie? You just know. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but this is just a backup phone, but still it gets used. Oh no. Well, I finished dinner. Minnie seems better. I think he's trying to put himself to sleep right now. He is hiding underneath a blanket. I'm just holding Jack like this. Oh. Oh, not anymore. Don't mind the master, I've been gone all day, so. Hey, Minnie. I picked up 2 movies. One of them I've already watched, but I didn't get to see the very ending of it. Plus it was funny. Oh, here's my food. It's got like some olives fried up, some tofu, carrots, vegan mayonnaise, and some vegan cookies. I couldn't find the turmeric and I was just so busy, so whatever. And these are pita bread. Yeah, Minnie. So this will be the end of the vlog today, unless something crazy happens, right? We're gonna want to add it. My parents have these like little window things up in the ceiling, like all over the house. They've got them like also like in the kitchen, so you can hear like the rain. They're just all over the place, which is a really good idea. It saves, you know, electricity because it brings in light. And I don't know, it just sounds kind of cool to be able to hear it, like the rain and the hail like dropping. It just kind of cool. No, Minnie, we can't go out there. Minnie, we can't go out there. It's flooding. Stop. Minnie. You wanna play in the rain? Minnie. Don't stop, dude. Man, your brother's still in here. You can't stay out here. Nanny.